I worked in the oil fields prior to Midmark. I moved my family here to Missouri. While I was in the middle of transition of moving here, I actually contacted my insurance agent. He actually told me about Midmark, and he said it was a good place to work. Benefits was key. Once I found that out and I seen that, that solidified my decision to actually help come here. Originally, when I first started here, I worked over in welding as their water spider. And then I kind of hopped around in several other areas whenever needed, when somebody was gone and they needed to fill in, and then had the opportunity to become the lead over here in assembly. As a production team lead, you basically oversee the whole process of whatever your department might entail, but you also work hand in hand with other departments and other team leads, basically just help with the flow, make sure everything goes out the door in a timely fashion. Our time frames and what we're accomplishing changes from day to day. I know for me personally, it feels good once we get it all boxed up and then it's heading out the door. As far as our overall week too, it's 5 days a week. So they try to keep it to where you have a family life. We have a pretty good group of guys here and gals too. It's a family atmosphere. They're good workers, I can tell you that. We work together. You actually become like a family together, and you wind up looking out for each other. Being there for people that face challenges and just to be somebody to lean on, I'll try to help out as much as I can, and I enjoy helping people out. So, I've even have friends that I know they don't live here, but if they ever did move here, I would want them to try to come work here. And it's just a good overall atmosphere, and I think they lay the foundations down for you to be able to advance if you want to advance. I think the keys are there. It's just you need to drive it.